You got your knife on you, Logan?
So it says the electrical is supposed to come out of the back left. Okay, yeah. So are we gonna orientate it or orient it so it would be that one?
I don't know how that would work. Oh, I see what you mean. So it would be, yes.
So like our back left would be that one.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So we do need to decide which one that is.
They said it was something to do with the louver, where the motor mounts to.
Okay.
And I think it might be that one. A648 V2.2.
So yeah, I think you're right, Brandon. It's the one that has the plate on the end.
I think it's this one right here, because that's where that motor would mount into that point.
Okay. So yeah, I guess I was looking at the directions here and.
Oh, you're saying, oh, I see, you're talking about where the cords get routed through?
Yep.
This one is labeled A648.
Yeah. Which is the same as this one, so it must be they're all labeled that.
Possibly.
I think all of the main 4 columns are labeled the same. All of the tops are the same.
Yep.
And then the louvers are probably all the same, so.
Yeah. Okay.
In the video, they're kind of like staging
the different parts. Yeah.
In the different areas?
Yeah,
okay.
Which I think is gonna help us.
All right, so let's do this. Let's clean off these, those concrete pads.
Yep.
That way we can be ready to set our pieces on there.
I'll grab a bucket to throw that litter in.
I'm just gonna sweep it to the side for now.
Oh, okay.
So this is a 10 by 10 Pergolux. I think it's the Skydance S3. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna build it right here in this corner, and then there'll end up being a hot tub directly underneath it. So this thing has like lights built into it, heaters built in, a screen, I think some other stuff too. So a lot of pieces, a lot of parts we got to put together, wires we got to fish, and the directions are leave a lot to be desired. I think this is what we're gonna attach the posts to. That way those go 42 inches down, so they're not going to move. They're going to be attached with concrete anchors. That way it's solid. Because if you attach to this, I mean, you could, but then it's liable to blow away or whatever. Oops. Yep, those are good right there. And then let's grab another post out of here. If you want to grab this side and just pull it out slowly so it doesn't scratch. Yep. Let's spin this thing around this way.
We can start fishing this wire.
I trust you.
All right.
Dude, if you're 98%, that's as sure as I'm gonna be. So worst thing that could happen is we gotta take it apart.
Yep.
And then I can blame it on you though too, if it's wrong, you know. This right here will go in that corner. That's the back left corner.
Okay.
Right?
So basically I'm routing into this one, right? And then the cable will go through and then back down.
No, it shouldn't. So whatever we have, this connection,
Yep.
how it's a twist fitting, that's
Yep.
going to connect to something else.
Yep.
Probably to something like this right here.
Yep. Yeah, and I know there's one more over there as well. So. Okay. So then, are you sure you want this one in that corner, or do you want it in this corner?
Yeah, in this corner. Yeah, yeah, that's what I meant. There we go.
So on the paper, it has the cord bit on the right side.
Yeah, on the same side as that.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Does it show this little lip on the top? Or on the
looks like
bottom?
it.
yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's on the bottom. That's on the bottom.
Yeah.
So this is right.
Yeah, which one?
So does this thing just need to go over there?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. 'Cause, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so just switch these out. So I'm on step 3.
Okay.
I took that off, but there's nothing in here to connect this to, and there should be.
I think that's the thing we slid out already.
Looks like a control box
Oh.
though. Yeah, one
see.
control box.
Okay.
It says it's in box B51.
I believe it's this one.
Does that one have directions that come with it? Or used to?
Not seeing any. Oh yeah, on the bottom here.
Oh, this is the remote control. This is
Yep.
everything.
Yeah, this is how you power it. Unless we're supposed to route that down through.
Oh, probably,
it
and then
up.
hook into that.
We would almost have to, right?
Yeah. And then this should be pretty simple. It can only go one way. Okay, so that's one. I don't know what the other ones are for. So we have the one plugged in right there, so that should be good. The only thing is this, but I think that goes on the outside, right? Slide it a little bit your way. Yep, all right, right there. Okay, you just want to balance that. I wonder what these pieces are for right here. Maybe that's for the louvers. I haven't seen those in the directions yet, so yeah.
Some sort of
Hopefully
cover.
we didn't miss that
hopefully
step.
not. Yep, so he's just attaching the actual attachment that gets mounted. And then in our package, this did not come assembled, so we're gonna just check these directions real quick, assemble it, and then we should be good to mount it. These are A4070.
What is it?
A4070. Those are the screws.
Yep, so with those you bend them once you put them in.
I'll bend them on the
You
bottom.
bend them on both sides.
Okay.
That way
to lock it in.
out.
Okay.
Yep. So yeah, I think that once you put that up,
Yep.
that'll tell us what angle this has to be at, and then we'll know where that thing gets fastened.
I think it's gonna be in that first one.
Yeah, right here.
No, yeah, no.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
And then what goes right there?
I'd have to look again. So. No, for sure.
I would put it, if you could, is it possible to put it the other way? That way, if we got to take it apart, we can get to that pin easier. He said something about a spacer in there. Did you put that in?
This guy? Yeah, so I slid that through.
Okay.
Yep.
So when it's all done, it won't slide back and forth. We'll have to figure out where the correct position is, and then we put those in there, and then that'll be solid.
Oh,
and then when it turns on, this cylinder pushes out, in and out.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then that'll move it the way that it's supposed to. All right, so it looks like there is an order that we put them in. Yeah. So do you see on page 33? So S, whatever that is, like standard, I guess we'll call it, and then a light 2S standard, or light, I mean.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I seen that on a video too.
Yep.
Yep.
And then I'm assuming we would route that cable after we get all those in.
Probably, yeah.
So we need to find this guy.
There. Are these in here too or no?
Yep.
Yep.
Where does that go?
So that was
Right
that
that
upper
whole,
part.
Yeah.
And then where does that actually get mounted? Or does that go into one of the louvers? Skips it. Skips over it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yep.
But I mean, it looks like, so this is here.
Yeah, so
Oh, yeah, it doesn't.
it definitely gets mounted to that top part.
Yeah.
After that, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
All right, so mount that up there. We'll start looking into these louvers over here. Doing is I'm measuring from the post back to the paver line, so that's 24 1/4. We know that those paver lines are straight and square with everything, and then I'm measuring back to here, right there, 24 1/4. So now when we cut these pavers in, we're not going to have like an angle cut. We know that everything is going to be square coming into the post. Yep, there you go. I like that.
It is a happy smile. It is definitely a happy smile.
That's a long time coming.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh yeah.
So one is light.
One is lights, two is the panels.
Three
Yep.
is heat, I think.
Cool. I don't know. Do you want to say anything about it, Logan?
I don't really have anything nice to say about the directions, but
yeah.
I mean, altogether, it looks sweet. Like, if you take your time, really think about what you're doing, you can figure it out.
I think all in all, I think it's a good product. I really like the lights. I like all the attachment points, so you can put heaters there, you can put screens there. I like all that stuff. I think that the directions leave a little bit to be desired, you know, but it's a lot of trial and error. I think once you get it though, like the next time we do it, I think it would go twice as fast.
Yeah, for sure.
So
No
I
doubt.
do really like how it's got the rain gutters in there, and then they all drain down the post, and then it dumps out right here, right there.
Yep.
So I like that. I like how the cord is hidden for all that. They got easy connection points up there, but I just think that their
yeah, I think
directions need to be revised.
Yep.
But other than that, I think it's good. I like it. It looks good, looks sharp.